We know a lot of people have confusion while picking up the good stock. Some people think that face value decides the stock is good or not. Some people think that higher dividend stocks are better for investment. Now in this video, let's see above statements are true or not. My name is Vivek and you are watching Delta Options. The definition says face value is defined as the value printed on the money or a bill or a bond or any of the share based on the appearances. It is generally a value which is printed on its face. This is termed as face value. So, in stock market, the face value term is the original cost of the stock as listed in the share certificate. It is also called as par value, which means when a company is legally set up, the promoters will keep a value of a share. That is technically termed as face value. Let's understand the importance of face value of share with the help of an example. Here is the company called XYZ. This company started with 5 people as a partnership. So, these 5 promoters will be deciding the issue face value of the company. Let's think they decided the face value of the company is rupees 10. Face value equal to 10. Now how many shares will be given to a person will be decided on this. Say suppose person 1 is having 100 rupees as his portion. So number of shares equal to capital divided by face value. That is the formula to get the number of shares based on your capital and face value. So he will get 100 divided by 10 equal to 10 shares. In olden days, where they used to have physical shares called share certificates, that's where actually this share face value came into existence. Here one thing to note is that there is no specific value that should be as a face value. There can be any number kept as per the promoter's wish. Face value does not change with the market conditions. That means face value do not go up or down with respect to the company performance. With company performance, only share value keeps fluctuating, but the face value remains intact. Face value will not change until there is a stock split. That means explicitly the stock has to be split for the change in the face value. Another place where the face value come into existence is while declaring the dividend. Any dividend for the stock is declared on the face value of that particular stock. Dividend is nothing but a company decides to give back little portion of the amount to its investors with due gratitude for believing in the company. That means the amount which the company gives to its own investors is called as dividend. Usually there is a big impact on the dividend stocks. These stocks were assumed to be safe bets. Say suppose Coal India or Indian Oil Corporation and lot of other companies which give about 7% or more than that as a dividend. That means they are paying the dividends in par with the bank fixed deposit interest rates. If the company gets good profit, they will have advantage because the share price will be appreciated. But these companies sometimes even will post negative returns. That means the investor's capital itself might be ruined. What is the use of getting a big dividend if your capital is lost? So try to do some thorough checks while you are investing in these high dividend stocks, such as the progress of the company, what is the debt and all of the company, how the market value is keep increasing or not. Everything you have to check before investing in these kind of high dividend stocks. Instead, you can opt for some good companies which have moderate dividend payout and also have good capital appreciation. Just a point to note, any company giving huge dividend means they are not expanding their business. They will be giving the money to the investors as dividends instead of using them as their company growth. Anyhow, dividend is a good passive income even if you are not selling your stocks. That means you keep receiving the money until the company is paying you. So it's good to have a dividend stocks in your portfolio with a moderate level of dividend paying stocks. That means the dividend they will pay and the capital appreciation also might be there. Those kind of stocks you can choose for your better returns and safety of your shares. Generally, dividend is paid on the face value of the stocks. So don't get confused. Sometimes we will be getting a news, so and so company will be paying 1000% of dividend. That doesn't mean that if the stock price is 100 rupees, they will give 1000 times to that 100 rupees. They will see the face value of that stock. Say suppose that 100 rupees stock have the face value of only 1 or 2. They will do the 1000% of that one. Then that's the dividend payout which you receive. I think these points have explained you what is face value and dividend in a better way and simple way. You can try to pick a stock based on these things, seeing the criteria which is having positive and which is having negative, and then decide picking the stock. If you like this video, please share to your friends, like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.